After you had completed student handout 3, we're going to move on to student handout 5. And yes, I know we skipped number 4, so we're moving on right to 5. On this sheet, you're going to describe the technology of the Han Empire briefly. You're going to make some conjectures or some guesses about the problem the technology was designed to solve, and then also about how the technology actually solved the problem. So you're going to look at an iron blast furnace, paper, porcelain, ceramics, etc. So to do this, you're going to jump over to the presentation. And on this presentation, it starts at slide 21, but if you're using the other presentation, it starts at slide 16. So like if we go to slide 22 real quick, you can go through, look at the pictures, please. You don't have to turn and talk, but if you read the questions and you think about what the heck is this, what is it trying to solve, and then as you go through the information, it gives you, I'll fix that real quick. It gives you information about what it is and what it's designed to do. So hopefully based on this information, you'll be able to figure out what problem did they have? Why did they need to create this technology? So you're going to go through and you'll go all the way to, on this presentation, it is slide 30. If you're using the other presentation, it is slide 26. When you have finished with student handout 5, don't save it, or sorry, save it, but don't turn it in.